Cabinet refacing is a way to get a totally brand new kitchen without the time or the money of getting a totally brand new kitchen. It's the same process. We're changing the exterior of the cabinet, giving you a new door, new hinges, new handles, but you're just keeping your box. You get a new kitchen quicker and less expensive. It's transformative. I mean, it really looks like a totally brand new kitchen. It's amazing.
Some myths from cabinet refacing is that it's like putting wallpaper on your cabinets, which is not the case at all. It does involve the adhesion of materials to the existing cabinets, but they're high pressure laminates that'll hold up over a long period of time.
A lot of people think that cabinet refacing is not for them, that it's really, a peel and stick, it's short term, that it's gonna not be around for a while. And it's just not true. I mean, the way that we do it is really the same way that we make a new cabinet. We have a box and we change the exterior of the box with a vinyl laminate, and then the door matches exactly with new hinges, new handles. So it really is a new kitchen. If your layout's staying the way it is and your cabinets are good shape, there's no reason not to.
Our products that we use are high quality. We test everything. We deal with vendors that we've had long-standing relationships with. We're not afraid to spend a little more if we have to on the product because we're giving the type of warranties we give it. And of course we manufacture the majority of our own products, and we have very, very high quality standards in our manufacturing process.
Common misconception about cabinet refacing is that it's a quick fix. And it's not a quick fix, it's a permanent solution. And the way we do it right, takes a lot of work, a lot of preparation, and a lot of time. But the end product is as good as, if not better than, a complete remodel.
If a homeowner is looking for someone to do this type of work, they really should be asking, who's doing the work for them. For example, we make sure that we background check all of our installers. There's no middle company between us and our installers. They work for us every week. We know where they've been, what they're doing. I think warranty is important to look into, as well as the overall products that are going to be used. You can tell when you hold a product or look at a product whether you think it's going to hold up or not. And I think just being educated on the different products is important.
We have several different warranties. There's our value warranty, which is usually for people selling their homes. We have a lifetime warranty on some of our products that's limited to certain colors, which you can ask your sales representative about. And we have a limited 10-year warranty on the other colors. We stand behind the work for as long as you own your home. Labor could apply after the first year.
It really is a process that we have to spend time teaching to finished carpenters even. So I would say this is not really a do-it-yourself type of project.
It requires certain tools, certain talents. Refacing in itself is a skill that it's very hard to come across the people who have that know-how.
What we really offer is that seamless project for the customer. From the time they reach out to us, we're going to be in touch with them. They have a project leader that they'll be able to speak with whenever something comes up or they have a question. So it's just that peace of mind that we're handling that from start to finish, and in the end they can just sit back and enjoy that completed job.
I think the thing that sets Kitchen Magic apart is the spirit of the employees to want to do a good job for our customers and have the authority to do whatever they feel is the right thing for our customers. I don't think you find that at many places.
You really are making a difference in people's lives, because a kitchen, you spend so much time in a kitchen, and it's such an impact on your whole family and your daily living. So it's not just aesthetically that it looks good, but functionally. It's both of those things that make a good kitchen design. And it matters. I can tell it literally changes the lives of people after they get a kitchen made by Kitchen Magic.
The purpose of Kitchen Magic is to improve people's lives, and specifically because we're a kitchen remodeler, we improve people's life spaces. So that's what we work on every day, is how can we make their life more enjoyable, their life at home more enjoyable, the life in the kitchen, the life with their family, and we strive to do that every single day.